What's up my friends, it's your boy Daryl. It's been such a long time since I last seen you guys and since I last did a video. So as you guys can see, I got this from SHEIN and it consists of mostly accessories, 1 or 2 household items, and I think like a few clothes or something. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys the importance of accessorizing and how just a little bit of accessory, like just 1 or 2 extra accessory, can change the overall look of your entire outfit. Sometimes the outfit may look like a little plain or something, so a little bit of accessorizing will definitely spice things up. And that's what we want. So without further ado my friend, as usual, let's get it. So honestly I can't really remember what I bought, but I know that it's mainly accessories. What the hell is this? Literally, what is this? What else do we have? So we have this really artsy kind of tie, and I got this for, so I think it's actually really worth the buy. And for the next item that I got is something that is not so related to the video, but it's an iPad Pro casing, because current iPad casing that I have is like really old and dirty and it's like already flaking. So I think this looks really cool, to be honest, you know. So let's see what do we have next. So this thing literally just fell out of the box without me even doing anything. So item number 3 that we got is this really cool glasses. Let me open it up to show you guys a little bit. So honestly, I haven't tried this out yet, but I think that the design of this thing is like really, it looks really high quality for the price that I'm paying. And I think that it really gives off that kind of like light academia, y2k, punky kind of style. And I think it looks really decent with the new style that I'm gonna go for. Let's put this aside for now and move on to the next item. Let's see, what do we have here? What is this little mystery box lying around? Is it another pair of glasses? Yes, indeed, it's another pair of glasses to spice up your outfit. So this one is honestly quite unique looking in my opinion. Just take a look at this, okay? As you guys can see, the reason I bought this is because of this really unique crystal at the side of the glasses. And I think the frame of the glasses looks really cool as well. What I like about this pair of glasses is that if you match it well enough, I think it will really give off like a really sophisticated kind of look, which is a look your boy is going for. Let's give it a shot and see how it goes. I think the really amazing thing about these glasses is I think that both guys and girls, you know, if you can style it well enough, I think it will look really good. I got this for, and I think it's definitely a steal. Like both this pair of glasses and this one. So which pair of glasses do you think match me more? This one or this one? Leave a comment down below so that I know your thoughts. So moving on to the next item. Let's see. Please don't tell me that this is also another pair of glasses. Oh my gosh. It's literally another pair of glasses. Oh my gosh, man. I can't even remember like what I bought. So hopefully it's something beautiful. Okay, so this is another pair of glasses that I got. Let me show you guys the little detail. In my opinion, I really like the unique carving of the side of the glasses, but I think among the 3 pairs of glasses that I bought, in my own personal opinion, I think this is the hardest to pull off. So I really hope that it looks at least okay on me. Wow, I'm just like totally not used to like looking at myself like this. But then, you know, I feel that every once in a while, be it anything in life, I think it's like really good to try something new, just to add like a little bit of spice and flavor, you know, like just like something a little different into your life. Even if it doesn't look that good, I think it's worth the experience. Let's continue. So this over here is another pair of tie. This is just one. Yeah, it's just one pair of tie. You know, these days I'm just really obsessed with like this type of like metallic design, like bling bling crystal kind of thing. You know, I think it really adds like a shine into your overall outfit, and I think it really enhances and brightens like the whole overall look of your outfit. So for the next item in our list, we have this, I think it's something like a mini crop knitted top, and it's like a sweater vest, and it's really something entirely different that I'm trying these days. Hopefully we do not need holy water to cleanse your eyes. I really hope that I can pull this off. So moving on to the next item, we have ourselves another really fancy looking tie, which I think is like more suitable for like a formal setting. But you know, being a fashion enthusiast like myself, I literally go for every single style, be it like something like more y2k punky kind of look, or like something more for a formal setting, or something a little more artsy. We're gonna do it all, boys and girls. This is the final item, just to be sure. I think this is like a necklace or something. So let's see what it looks like. Look at all the mini starburst. I think it looks really beautiful. So let's try this on and see how it looks. How do I even wear this? Do I just like slip it on or something? No, that's not the right way to do it. Oh yeah. So the opening is over here. So sexy. Moving on to the last and final item. It's like literally so well protected. Good job, SHEIN. How are we gonna do this? Oh my gosh. Your boy literally sucked at opening things. Literally. This is literally a complete disaster. Oh my gosh. What splendid craftsmanship is this? Looks really pretty, isn't it? So I finished showing you guys all the items in the haul. Let's move on to the lookbook.
We can, yeah. Let's go. Keep up with the small talk. Fast car with the brakes off. We don't need to see that far. Yeah, I see you're a hot thing. I know I'm an option. It ain't gonna break my heart.
We could make a plan instead of talking. We could check the vibe up in the room. Just saying I'm not one to just talk, babe. could find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's done right, we already know, and we feel it. I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom, let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long.